This is how to change or service the PCV valve on the 6th generation inline 4 Honda Accord running from 1998 to 2002. This will become necessary if you notice increased engine oil consumption, rough engine idling, or an illuminated check engine light. Let's get to business. The 6th generation Honda Accord with a 2.3-liter inline-4 engine ran from 1998 to 2002 and has its PCV valve located right at top of the valve cover as you open the hood and look straight to the engine. For a part that regulates the flow of combustion gases out of the crankcase, there is no better position to place it. Using a plier, squeeze the clamp that holds the rubber hose running to the PCV valve. With the clamp still firmly squeezed, use your free hand to gently but firmly pull back the hose that connects to the PCV valve. This will present a little resistance, but when done gently and persistently, the hose will eventually give way and free the valve itself. With the connecting hose out of the way, gently turn the PCV valve counterclockwise and firmly up. It should come out easy and without any sort of drama whatsoever. It is at this point that you will determine if you are going to service or replace it. If you want to see concise, straight to the point auto DIY videos like this, subscribe and enable notifications so that you never miss any future video. Generally, there is no specified replacement time frame or mileage for the PCV valve on this generation of Honda Accord. You simply replace when it goes bad. To figure out if it's replacement time, simply shake the unit after it comes out. It should rattle, indicating it's still working fine. If it does not, it's time for a service or complete replacement. For this unit, it doesn't, so I'm going to power in some carb and choke cleaner to see if there is still some life left in it. I don't know if you can hear that at your end, but it seems there is life left in this one after the carb and choke cleaner, as it now rattles beautifully. I'm simply going to put it back and run a few thousand miles before I decide on a replacement at last. If you are going to replace the PCV valve, you should also buy a unit that comes with a grommet, which is a rubber seating that goes into the valve cover to create a perfect foolproof seal. In that case, you will need to remove the old one with a plier, careful that it doesn't fall in. I'm not going to do that because I'm not replacing it, and doing so will likely damage it. If you are not replacing like I am, clean the area, careful not to allow dust into the valve cover opening. Also clean the PCV valve itself so that when it goes back in, it works again like new. The PCV valve on the 6th generation Accord with a 2.3-liter inline-4 engine is replaced by directing its base to the grommet and gently but firmly turning it down and clockwise. The valve sits this way easily and without any drama. It's as easy as that. Make sure that the valve faces the hose where it must connect to. Using both hands, with one holding the PCV valve firmly and the other one guiding its connecting hose to it, connect the hose back to the PCV valve via the designated port. This is usually easy, but we need firm, steady application to get it nicely in and in position. To wrap up the process of changing the PCV valve on your 1998 to 2002 Honda Accord with a 2.3-liter inline-4 engine, use your plier and carefully grab the clamp to a position where it grips the protrusion on the valve where the hose sits. This isn't goodbye. Catch ya on the next one.